Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It is August 11th. We do have a USDA report that'll be out tomorrow at 11 o'clock. We had some preparation for that, I think, yesterday. Some excitement in the markets, certainly stronger. Maybe we'll still see some here today ahead of that report. They're expecting to see tighter ending stocks, but we are getting a little bit of a turnaround Tuesday. So good to excellent ratings, though. A little bit of a surprise. Guys were expecting to see 1% lower for these ratings yesterday. They came out unchanged. That helped things start off a little lower, but then talking of China devaluing their currency, that's something that you're going to hear about today quite a bit. And that's just in effect to try to stabilize their economy. So still some concern there. So yesterday, when you saw their stock market up as much as it was, and we had the sense here domestically that everything is just great as far as the markets. Stock market was up big yesterday. A sense of macro buying across all markets, including crude oil. We're giving all that back today. Corn down 6.5 right now. We've got beans down 14. Wheat down about 8 cents. So at least half of the gains that we had seen yesterday, we're giving them back in the overnight session. We've got the stock market down 172. So stock futures down, crude oil down $1.30. And the dollar back and forth of unchanged. Right now down about 15 cents, but not catching either side here as of yet. So watch for that. There will be some influence today. With some concern there, but I think focus will be on this report tomorrow. How do you position yourself going into it? And they're expecting to see an average trade guess for corn right around 1.5 billion carry out, where for beans they're looking 301. That's a sharp number. That would be friendly if we end up seeing a number like that from these levels. But watch for that. That seems like that's a little heavy. Livestock. Cattle down 10 cents right now. You got wholesale beef prices continuing to break. Supply slaughter should be the same this week that we had last week. We're kind of watching the demand. And as we talk about the stock market, we talk about some of the outside influence that may weigh on cattle here as we see that shift. But right now, down about 10 cents this morning. Hogs unchanged. Now, this week should be the start of these bigger supplies showing up. We are seeing this cash market now trending a little bit lower, down 45 cents yesterday. So watch for that. And, maybe we can see some both sides trade yet, but we've got some big supply issues that we're going to need to face here for the short term. As I mentioned, stock market down 172. You got crude oil down $1.30. Now, the dollar down 15 cents. The grains are lower. We had a macro buying day yesterday, maybe macro selling here today. So keep an eye on that. But give us a call if you have questions. You can reach us here, 800-262-7538, or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. You guys have a great day today. We'll talk to you again tomorrow. Take care.